Hi everyone, welcome back to COC channel. Today I'm sharing how I made this bag with you. This one has a shorter handle. With a longer handle, it becomes a shoulder bag. Take your bestie to crochet this trendy bag together. Pull out 2 strands, use your left hand to tension the yarn and make a slip knot. Now chain 22 stitches. Then chain 2 more to begin the row. Yarn over and insert the hook into the third chain from the hook, which is the 22nd stitch. Insert into the back bump of the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2. That's your first double crochet. Beginner tip, use a stitch marker, work another double crochet into the same stitch. Now double crochet into the back bump of each chain, one by one. Continue until you reach the end of the chain. At the last stitch, make 4 double crochets into the same stitch. Now place the yarn tail to the right side. Continue with 2 more double crochets. Next, crochet 1 more double crochet into each chain on the opposite side. Keep going to the other end. Make 2 double crochets in the last stitch. Mark the last double crochet for a reference. Slip stitch into the first double crochet. Chain 2 to begin round 2. Make an increase in the first stitch by working 2 double crochets. Increase in the second stitch as well. Work 2 double crochets. Then work 1 double crochet into each of the next 20 stitches. Increase in each of the next 4 stitches at the other end, 2 double crochets in each. Now continue with 20 regular double crochets, no increases. Increase in the last 2 stitches of the round, 2 double crochets in each. This completes round 2. Slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. Chain 2 and begin round 3. Work 1 double crochet into the first stitch. In the second stitch, make an increase 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Next, 1 double crochet into the following stitch. Then make another increase, 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Now crochet 1 double crochet in each of the next 20 stitches. Thus the no increase section. After the 20 stitches, work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Then increase in the following stitch 2 double crochets. This is the pattern, 1 stitch, then increase. Repeat this 1 stitch, 1 increase pattern 3 more times. After finishing 4 sets of 1 plus 1, work the next 20 stitches with no increases, 1 double crochet each. Again, fold down the edge. This is the front side. This is the back. After the 20 stitches with no increases, do 2 more sets of 1 plus 1. When finished, slip stitch into the first double crochet. Chain 2 to start the next round. From round 4 onward, this section will have no increases or decreases. You can adjust the length as needed. Next, crochet 6 rounds with no increases. That means 1 double crochet in each stitch. Work 1 round around the fabric. At the end of each round, slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 2, and start the next round. We're using 6 rounds as an example. The final 2 rounds will have decreases. Now use stitch markers to mark 4 symmetrical points that are roughly aligned front and back. These are where you decrease. Now crochet double crochets in each stitch until you reach a marker. Before the stitch marker, make an unfinished double crochet. Do the same in the marked stitch, another unfinished double crochet. Yarn over and pull through all loops. This is a double crochet 2 together decrease. Move the stitch marker to this decreased stitch. You'll decrease at the same spot in the next round. Continue with double crochets until just before the next marker. Use the same method to decrease. Repeat this for all 4 marked spots. Repeat the same decreases for the next round. After 2 rounds of decreases, slip stitch to join. Now we'll crochet the handle. Fold the bag in half and count out 9 stitches for the handle. Find the 4th stitch on the opposite side, slip stitch to that stitch to join. Then chain 2 to start the round. Double crochet into the same stitch. Then work 8 more double crochets, 9 in total. After the 9 stitches, slip stitch to the first to close the round. That completes one round. Chain 2 and start round 2. Continue crocheting each round with 9 stitches. At the end of each round, slip stitch to join, chain 2 to begin the next round. That's how you crochet the handle. After the final round, don't slip stitch. Chain 1, leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Align the handle with the 9 stitches on the left side for sewing. Count to the 4th stitch after folding in half. Sew stitch by stitch using whip stitch. When done, tie a knot and cut the yarn. Hide the yarn tail inside the bag.